TRX, we start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. If you refer to our analysis in my last video, since the price was here, we mentioned we're looking for the reversal because when the price was within this move, we mentioned we're looking for the price to drop. Then any reversal, we can look for trade based on lower time frame. We had one trade here, and when the price was exactly within this move, we mentioned we about the different possibility, and we mentioned if we want to look for continuation, we need to get the correction of like this is what we get. And right now price broke the almost tag the previous top. Anyway, the first things we do, whatever the trade within this move, we start to manage, and now we want to see what's the next, whether we can look for continuation or not. Okay, but in this case we want to see if we put this one in relative to the previous top, we see what we have. If we refer to the indicators, we see we have a divergence. All right, and as well here, this is where first things you need to be aware. Anyway, we start with higher time frame. We start with we move to daily chart. Even if in our analysis we mentioned we're looking for correction for continuation. All right, now we want to see whether this is the only correction and we can expect the price to continue or not. Anyway, we move to lower time frame. Even if we move to the forward chart, even if we move to forward chart, we have been looking for this correction in relative to this for running flat, and this is what we get. And right now the price broke the previous top, and what we can see the divergence based on the indicators. Okay, now the question is whether we can look for continuation or this one can turn to correction relative to this. That's why right now whatever the trade within this one, we have to start to manage. And now we have to wait under a few hours whether we can get the continuation. If we get a continuation, is good. Mostly we can expect this consolidation to disappear. But if we see the price is not going to break and continue, either this one can turn to a bigger correction or we can expect the price to drop, to reverse. We are not looking for the down move. The only thing is how we can manage the trades and how we can look for the next trade. Because right now we don't have any trade setup either for buy or sell based on lower time frame. And even if we want to look for trade with this flags, we consider as a short-term trade. Okay. Anyway, because we mentioned we were looking for with the breakout of the previous top, any sharp move, this is the targets we have been looking for. But as we can see, the price tag the previous top start to correct. That's why right now we don't have any trade set up. And if we want to look for this one as a flag for trade, maybe consider as a short term, the best thing is we wait another few hours. Then from there we can make a decision whether this is this. We can look for as the, we can look at this as a correction for continuation, or we can expect this one turn to a deeper correction because we see we have a divergence as well. Okay, what I can say this at this times, whatever the trade we have to start to manage. Anyway, we just follow the chart. Then if I see any update, I will share. Thanks.